salesman is allowed 12% commission on the total sales made by him and bonus of 1% on the sales over rupees 15,000. If the total earnings of salesman is rupees 7,650, find the total sales. Okay. Here the concept is a salesman is assigned job to sell a product. Okay. The job of the salesman is to sell the product. Here usually when the duty is given to the salesman, the company usually tells the salesman that if you sell more than this particular amount, you will get bonus. Okay, for every sale he will be given commission. Okay, for every sale he is given commission, but if he crosses a particular mark, he will be given commission and also the bonus on those sales. Okay, he will be given commission and also the bonus on those sales. So here salesman is allowed 12% commission on the total sales. So here on the total sales he is given 12% commission. Okay, and a bonus of 1% on the sales over 15,000. So if he crosses this particular mark, if he crosses this 15,000 particular mark, okay, then he will be get extra bonus. Okay, he will be getting extra bonus on the sales above 15,000. Okay, so for total sales he is getting 12% commission, but for the sales above 15,000 he is given 1% bonus. So we can assume that on this total sales he is getting commission of 12% commission plus 1% bonus, so 13% commission. Okay, he is getting total 13% profit, like commission plus bonus, 12% commission plus 1% bonus, so 30% on these sales, and on these sales he is getting only 12%. On these sales he is getting only 12%. So for simple calculation, can I assume that, okay, can I assume that here for the total sales 13% minus 1% for the sales is equal to this line. Okay, if we assume 13% for the total sales minus 1%, because here if we subtract 13 minus 1%, that is 12%, right? 13% 1 minus is 12%. Here is also, so here is all 13% as we already know. So 13% here, 13% here, but we are subtracting 1% so that we are getting 12% only. So we can write here 13% of total sales minus 1% of here, how much this one, 15,000, is equal to how much, 7,650. So finally we can assume this equation. So 13% of total sales minus 1% of 15,000, that is 150, is equal to 7,650. So 13% of total sales equal to 150 plus 7,650, that is 7,800. So total sales how much? 7,800 divided by 13, 60,000 total sales. So this is the answer. So So here we are just simplifying and taking that equation in such a way that we can solve this problem very quickly. What we are doing is, as we know the concept, 12% commission for the total sales, 1% commission, sorry, 1% bonus for the sales above 15,000. So what we are doing is, we are just assuming, as we know, for these sales, he will be getting 13% because 12% commission plus 1% bonus, 13%. But here he is getting only 12% commission. So what we are assuming 13% for the total sales, minus here 1% of this 15,000, so that we are getting only 12% over this. So minus 1% of 15,000 equal to his total earnings. So that is 13% of total sales minus 150 equal to 7,650. 13% of total sales equal to this plus this 7,800. Total sales equal to 60,000. Okay. So you whenever you go through this type of questions, you just try to simplify into this box. Okay. You, like we have mentioned here, then you can solve the problem very easily. Okay.